Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Calendly integration. So on AnyTrack, go to integrations, click on add integration, search for Calendly and install it. Give a name to the and then click on the link. This will take you to Calendly to generate an access token. So it will ask you to verify, and once you verify, you will have access to the token. Okay. So copy the token, and back in AnyTrack, paste the token here, and if you want to select the events from Calendly, you can select them or leave it empty to track all the events. I'm going to leave it empty. Okay, and the event, I'm going to name it booked call. Okay. And now on Calendly, well, you create a meeting. Let's see. Here's mine, and then click on share and add to website, and then I'm going to use the first one. Then copy this and go to the web page where you want to embed it, and I'm going to paste it there on an HTML snippet. Now I'm not going to publish it yet, so go to the Calendly article on AnyTrack, which is on this URL on readme AnyTrack, and then search for Calendly to see the article. And in the article you will find here this code for embedding it on an iframe like this, which is more user-friendly than just publishing the link, because those are the options. To track your meeting, you can track this link, or you can use an iframe. So here is the code that I copied from AnyTrack, this first one, and I'm simply going to replace the URL with the one from my Calendly. So you should use your own URL here and paste it in this part, and keep the rest of the code of the iframe. and now I'm going to publish this. Now I'm going to test it. There it is. So schedule it. Please note that here on the page I must have the AnyTrack tag installed, right? So I have it here installed, you can see it for the property. And so I have scheduled the event. So now I go to the AnyTrack integration and check the events log. You see it has been received and named accordingly. And now it is tracked. Now if I want to send this event to Facebook or any other tracking pixel, go to tracking pixels, and well, now you can see that the event is there, and now you can map it to your pixel. For example, for a book call, I will use probably I think I will use lead. And now you're tracking that event and sending the data from the booking. That's not the integration. Now all this data is sent to the Facebook algorithm so that you can have better targeting.